We are at NRG Stadium for the Baylor versus Vanderbilt Texas Bowl.
So I won these tickets to the Academy Sweepstakes. Brought some buddies from Houston area to see the Baylor Vandy game tonight.
We are sitting on this awesome lawn chair right on the sideline.
Our chair is right at the end zone. We are right on top of the goal line, just a couple yards off the field, so it's a perfect spot to be. Let's go, baby! Let's go!
Every other bowl game has been slow and no scores. We've got the best bowl game of the season so far.